Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. In this video, we'll solve this problem using concepts of trigonometry for right angle triangle. As per the problem, in triangle DEF, angle E equals 90 degrees, D equals 7.4 meters, and F equals 6.5 meters. Solve the triangle. Solving a triangle means finding all unknown side lengths and angles in the triangle. The first step is to draw a right angle triangle. As per the problem, the right angle is at vertex E. We can label the top vertex as D and the third vertex as F because this is triangle DEF. The length of side D is 7.4 meters. Side D is opposite to vertex D, so that's side EF. So this is side D and its length is 7.4 meters and side F is 6.5 meters. Side F is opposite to vertex F, so that's side DE and its length is 6.5 meters. We have to find the unknown angles and side lengths in this triangle. Since this is a right angle triangle and we are given the lengths of two sides in this triangle, we can use SOHCAHTOA to find the length of the third side in this triangle and the two unknown angles, angles D and F. As you may know, SOHCAHTOA represents the formula for three trigonometry ratios, sine, cos and tan. Let's start by finding angle F. For angle F, side DE represents the opposite side. Side EF represents the adjacent side. So we can find angle F using the tan ratio. The formula for tan is opposite over adjacent. We can sub in the values. Next, we should do the inverse of tan. I get 41.3 degrees rounded to 1 decimal place. This is the measure of angle F. Next, we can find angle D. We know that sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we can find the measure of angle D by subtracting measure of angle E and angle F from 180 degrees. I get 48.7 degrees. This is the measure of angle D. Next, we can find the length of side DF, the hypotenuse in this right angle triangle. It is the longest side in this triangle. It is also opposite to the right angle. So that's why it's the hypotenuse in this right angle triangle. We can use Pythagorean theorem equation or SOHCAHTOA to find the length of the hypotenuse. It will be easier to use a trigonometry ratio to find the length of the hypotenuse. We can use sine ratio for angle F to find the length of side DF. The measure of angle F is 41.3 degrees. So sine 41.3 degrees. The formula for sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The length of the opposite side is 6.5. Hypotenuse can be represented by E because this side is opposite to angle E. We can solve for E by cross multiplying E to the left side of the equation. Next, we can divide both sides by sine 41.3 degrees. I get E equals 9.8 rounded to 1 decimal place, and the unit is meters. So we have found the measure of the unknown angles and the unknown side length in this triangle. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.